Hey guys, this is Josh with Ads by Josh. Today I wanted to post a video and do a case study for one of our air duct cleaning clients. We run Google ad campaigns for service businesses across the US. A little bit of background about me. My name is Josh. I run a junk removal company in Northeast Ohio. We've been in business for 3 years. My first year in business, I spent so much money on hiring digital marketing companies to help make us money, keep our trucks running, and grow our business. And I quickly found out that most digital marketing companies over promise and under deliver. So, long story short, I'll spare you the details. Here I am, 2 years later, running my own pay per click marketing agency. And we have helped tons of service businesses across the U.S. build profitable Google ad campaigns and keep their trucks running. We work in many different niches, and one of the newest niches that we've been working in recently, which I really love, is air duct cleaning. Um, this is a weird industry because for some reason there's not a lot of competition on Google, like Google Ads. There's like so little competition compared to other service businesses such as junk removal or towing or plumbing or something along those lines. Um, and there's a lot of spam and a lot of scam in this industry. There's a lot of fake lead generators, that are like, I don't really understand how all the scams work and why there's so much spam. But I do know that there are some of the legitimate guys do use like lead generators, like people to sell them leads and sell them jobs. And it's kind of confusing to me because there's no need to do that. I mean, you could get leads at a better cost and start actually growing your brand and increasing awareness in your market for your service. You could do that and get all the credit for it because they're going to come to your page, they're going to see your logo, they're going to talk to you directly, like, and it cuts out any kind of middleman. So what we do is we build Google Ads campaigns for air duct cleaning businesses. And today we're going to be showcasing one of our accounts. Last month, this is for December, our air duct cleaning company was able to receive 44 conversions being a phone call or a lead form via our landing page. It only counts first time callers. So if someone calls you multiple times, this doesn't include that. If like marketers or spam reach out to you or something, that's not included here. We keep really good track of everything and we keep everything clean. These are actual customers reaching out for service. In this particular case, this client was actually able to book close to 70% of these calls, which is mind boggling. You don't see that in many industries. So that's really awesome to see. But we're running dryer vent ads, air duct ads, and furnace cleaning ads. Not a whole bunch of traffic on the furnace cleaning ads, but it does provide leads at a good cost. So the client likes running them. But for last month, we were able to generate 44 leads at a cost of $36.56 each. That's really good. I mean, that's insane. $36. This is in a pretty competitive market, but like I said, there's not a whole ton of competition for air duct cleaning in general. And I do a lot of time. I spend a lot of time checking out other companies, seeing what they're doing. It's like people are not doing this, and I don't understand why. This is one of the best ways, the number one way to get more business fast. Right? You're paying to be at the top of Google, but if you don't do it right, it's just going to cost you money. It's going to cost you a ridiculous amount of money. We audit campaigns for free. So if you have a Google Ads campaign, you feel like it's not working out, if another company's managing it for you, or if it's, you've been experimenting with it, I'll take a look at it for free. We'll hop on a Zoom call. We'll go through the campaign. I can tell you kind of what I think is wrong with it. But a lot of you guys have probably never even really considered running Google Ads. But the thing is I see sometimes people are paying 100, 120, $140 a phone call. Because Google Ads is a complex platform, but we make it easy to show up at the top of Google. So we can help you even if you don't have a website, right? We build all the landing pages. We use call tracking and form tracking software. We use Click Fraud Defender, so people in other countries can't click on our ads and cost us money. And then we also block competitors from seeing our ads so they can't click on our ads and cost us money, right? So we have it really dialed in, and The main reason this is performing so well is because we have an insane conversion rate, 38%. That means that 38% of the people who click on our ads actually end up calling or submitting a form. That's really high for Google search campaigns. Most accounts that I audit are doing like 15 to 20%, right? But the ones we build are typically in the 30 to 40% range, which is amazing. We have great landing pages for these. We will spend time optimizing your campaign specifically over time to make it better and better as time goes on. But quick snapshot, 44 leads. And by the way, he did pause the campaign when he got too busy. So like this was not a full 30 days running. 44 leads, $36 each for a total cost of $1,600. Conversion rate of 38%, just spectacular. He's got a relatively small budget of $75 a day. I say relatively small because you could spend so much more and make so much more money. But you can also do it with less. Like I said, this isn't very competitive. You could do this with less. You could do this at $50 a day. But at the same time, you could do more if this client ever wants to get more leads. Like I said, he gets real busy and then he wants to pause them, which is awesome. I don't care. Great, you're staying busy. I'm happy they're working. But if you ever wanted to get really aggressive, we could simply up our budget from $75 a day to $100 or $125 or $150, $200 a day, and just get crazy amount of volume. But if you're interested in having us do this for you, reach out to us, drop a comment on this video, or you can go to our website, adsbyjosh.net. You can reach out via the contact form or call the number that's on the website. And I will personally talk to you about Google Ads, answer any questions you might have. And, if this is something you're interested in, I can get one of these rolled out in a couple of days, right? So this is just phenomenal. Awesome. Number one way to grow your air duct cleaning business, in my opinion. You don't need to be buying leads from people. I know most of those are like scams, but yeah, mind-boggling that like not a lot of you guys are doing this. So I'm really excited to be getting into this niche. We've had great results so far, and we're just going to keep getting better over time. I'm going to go ahead and end the video, guys. Leave a comment. Hit us up on our website. Be happy to set this up for you. All right, guys. Take care and have a great day.